Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Money and Credit in Economics. So, in this chapter, you come to know about barter system and the various transaction of money and about the role of RBI and the types of credits and beneficiaries. So, this chapter deals with the evolution of money over the years and its function. So, in today's world, nothing is possible without money, right? For everything, each and everything, we need money. So, this chapter deals how money has came into process, how people started making use of it, everything. First, we'll see about barter system. Ancient man hunted and gathered food. He lived in caves and forests. In later stages, he invented weapons for hunting and gathering food. Later, he invented fire and learned to practice agriculture. He used mud to build houses and settle down in a place, and also to make earthenware. So, ancient man didn't use any money in his life. He was hunting and gathering food. He has lived in many caves and forests, and later stages he started using weapons for hunting and gathering food. Also, he invented fire and learned to practice agriculture also. So they slowly, gradually they started to improve. So later wise they started to build in houses made with mud, and also they used to make earthenware products and all. When the agriculture yield was high, they made handicrafts. When there was surplus in agriculture produce and other articles like earthenware, they exchanged it with people who needed them. So when agriculture yield was high, if they put paddy, means the yield was high, means okay, it will be more than enough for them. So they no need to make use of all that. So exchanged. If paddy is high more with them, means they exchanged and got rice. Instead of paddy, they got rice. So exchange of foods. That is called barter system. Okay, so I have plenty of this thing. So I will give you this, and I am in need of your product. So you just give me that. So that is called barter system. Exchange of goods is called barter system. Next, we'll see about coins. Measuring the quantity and the value of goods exchanged were found very difficult. So later, measuring the quality, because the rice, the standard of rice, everything will be higher sometimes. Okay, paddy. So measuring the goods and the quantity and the value of the goods also found to be very difficult. So to solve all this problem, they started to find coins. So initially they used in the form of some metal. Metals were rare to find and could be maintained for a long time and never lost their value. So metals can be termed as a first form of money. So in this picture also you can see this, children. In the initial period they have used all these metals only. Next is about natural money. The metals serve as silver and gold coin gained importance gradually all over the world. So they were using silver and gold coins. So usually both these metals have very good benefit, like profit, right? So they are very important. So these metals are used as a standard value, and this is called natural money. Next is about paper money. As day went by, issues arose because while trade prospered, there were insufficient reserves of gold and silver mines. So but later, for each and everything, for simple things and all, they used this gold and silver coins. So they no need to do all those things. So there is insufficient scarcity of this reserves and the gold mines and silver mines and all. So they started to find paper money. So these coins were printed in large numbers. Paper money came into being as a next stage. So after this natural money, this silver and gold coins, paper money came into process. Money has been an inseparable part of everyone's life today. It has changed its form in the economic front. Money transactions are done through many ways in the electronic world. So it is a very important thing in today's world, right? So money transaction has done in many ways through has been done through many ways in the electronic world, right? So here you have a picture called history of money. So first, then one is barter system, that is exchange of goods. Next, ancient people, they started to trade with coins and then with currencies and gold coins, printing of currency, and then it's electronic transfer, and later credit card, now mobile banking. Okay, and the last one is NFC. It's called near field communication. It's now introduced in Britain. In 2016 it came to India. It takes only about 7 to 8 seconds to transact money through NFC. So these are the history of money. You can take a look over this. Next we'll see about electronic transactions. So one has to visit the bank and fill in a chelon or produce a check to withdraw money from his account. So this is the ancient people today also we are using this, but okay. But nowadays, instead of using checks or DD, online transaction it came into process through net banking. Through this, money are transacted to everyone who lives anywhere across the globe. So wherever they live, in the nook and corner also, we can transact without any barrier, right? So we don't need to stand in a queue for a long time. We don't need to spend a whole day or a few hours to send money or to get money. Online transaction made everything easy. Technology has advanced so much that even mobile banking is widely used nowadays. Yes, Google Pay. We people are using Google Pay also, no? So wherever they live, just we are paying in the mobile itself. Next is about role of the Reserve Bank of India. So Reserve Bank, they are the people who print all the currencies, right? So what is the role of them? We'll see that. A major portion of the saving in banks are used for the development of industries, economic growth, and various development schemes for the welfare of the poor. So the major portion of this saving bank is to develop industries, the economic growth, and also to develop the schemes for the welfare of the poor people. So the Bank of India started its operations on 1st April 1935. It was permanently moved to Mumbai from the year 1937. RBI was nationalized in 1949. Okay, so 85% of printed currency is let out for circulation. So still till today 85% of printed currency is in of circulation. According to the statistics available as on August 2018, currency worth of 19 lakh crore are in circulation. So according to the statistics which has taken during the August 2018, 19 lakh crore currencies are in circulation. Yes. Next we'll see about the functions of money. When money replaced a barter system, a lot of practical issues were solved. Money acts as a medium of exchange, a unit of measurement, a store of value, and standard of deferred payments. It's play an important role in transactions. So after the barter system, many practical issues were solved, right? So money is acting as a medium of exchange. Money should be accepted liberally in exchange of goods and services in a country. So money, whatever the goods we get, whatever product we get, we just get the money, right? So that is the medium of exchange. Unit of account. Money should be the common standard unit of calculating our country's total consumer goods, product and services. So it is a common standard. Nothing else is needed. Money. If you give money, you will get the product. So that is the value of the product is depends upon the money, right? A store of value. Money is used as a store of purchasing power. It can be used in finance future payment also, right? So in this chapter you come to know about the barter system, children. Gold, silver and copper coins were used in ancient used as ancient money, and then paper money were introduced. Mobile banking is nowadays widely used. So the government has a responsibility to regulate the money supply and oversee the circulation. All the major and important banks are nationalized in India. There is a close relationship between the money and price, right? So here this lesson gets over. I hope you would have understand this, children. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.